is how you retrofit a Peak 2 into a spa. First off, you want to look at your filter buckets. You can see both your filter buckets are both joined together and both are going to the pump. So when you add a Peak 2, we got to add a suction. You can see on the one of the sides of the filter buckets there's a dong, so we got to cut this off, drill a suction in your spa, and run it through this filter bucket. The reason why we do that is because you need two inlets for your pump. So we're taking one filter bucket for the circ pump, one's going to be for your pump 1, so that's why we got to add another suction to your filter bucket going out to your pump. So we just drilled a suction in this spot. It's right there. It's going to loop around into your bucket, and then it's going to go this way towards your pump. So you always want to make sure you're on the inside of the filter bucket with your suction. This is the inside of our filter bucket. We're coming from our suction and we're going to the inside. We already cut off our dong right here. So from the suction we'll be going in and then we'll be going out to the pump. See, we took out our Y, and now from the other filter bucket we have an 1.5 inch line running to our circ pump. Okay, so we found a spot for our circ pump right there. You can see our 1.5 inch black line running into it. That's coming from our filter bucket. And now we have a chunk of 3/4 inch hose coming into our Mazzy injector. And that's going to run coming from the circ pump. It's going to run into the top of our mixing chamber. And it's going to run through and come out through the bottom. So this line right here is coming from our Mazzy. This is out from the mixing chamber. We put a T into our floor drain. Want to make sure that the flow from the circ pump is going straight through the T. Let's give us better flow, and we'll just tee in our drain to the top of the T, and that's going to come out of our floor drain at the bottom. Now last part is we got to hook up our 1/4 inch clear line to our Mazzy injector. So from our Mazzy injector, the clear line goes up into a lip into a Hartford loop. And now we take our 1/4 inch clear line hose and we want to make a little Hartford loop, just 2 little loops. And we want to place it high up in the lip as possible so water can't backflow through this loop. So we place it, find a spot, place it up high as possible. We take one side of the hose, which is going to go to our Mazzy injector. And then the other side is going to run to our AO generators, peak generators. So this is what our peak generators look like. We just got to find a corner in the spa that we can install these. And yeah, there's 2 of them installed. It's going to be a T. This is where our 1/4 inch clear line from our Mazzy injector is going to hook up to. So this line right here.